Hey everybody, and welcome back to Diva Styles. In this video, I'm going to be attempting to create a very simple and easy face mask. These are some that I've already purchased a while back. I have plenty of these. I'm going to be using this pretty much as a template, as a guide. And I have some stretchy elastic here. I'm going to be using thread, some of this fabric fusion, but I'm also going to do a little bit of hand sewing. I'm going to be using this fleece that I got from Dollar Tree. I'm going to use this as the inside lining. I'm going to be attempting to use some jean and also just some of this to kind of make some, you know, some cuter masks. So let's go ahead and get into the craft. These are a couple that I have made right here. I feel like now I got a better understanding for how to do this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use these as a template to trace. So I'm going to go ahead and trace it and cut it out. Alright, you guys, so I just wanted to give you a quick and easy DIY and way for creating your very own mask. Like I said, the inside is just fleece from a blanket that I got from Dollar Tree, and then the outside of it is just scraps. You know, any mask I feel is better than no mask at all. These were ones that I made in the beginning, which is why they are not the best. These were the first ones that I made. Not bad. Very cute. Very cute. And then this one I made for my husband. I think he's gonna love that one. Ah. So, yeah. Like I said, any mask is better than no mask. So, and you can adjust these for kids. Just you know, like cinch the elastic bands on the side, and you're good to go. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask, and I will see you guys very soon.
No way.
Bye.